go a little faster this time, so shall we? All right. There's the cross. Next is the corners. So let's the corners are just supposed to be. Alright. Did I get that corner in there yet? Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. Alright, so that corner is done. Right there. Separate these. That's good. Alright, so that's separated now. Send that way, back up. That's lined up. Now it's where it's supposed to be. So that corner, the bottom, cross, that's all done. So to do this corner is still good, so I just place this block here. And that just has to be done by putting the orange where the orange is, and the green, push it away from the green, bring the green up, bring that back, push it back, boom, boom, boom. There you go. That side's all done, that side's done, that side's done. Last is place this corner, which is already ready to go. Corner's placed. Oh, that block's already where it's supposed to go too, so push it away, bring it up, bring it down, boom, boom. There you go. So bottom's done, side, 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 boom. Now it's time for the top. Alright, got the plus on the top. That's all we really need right there. Good, we got this side matches from the plus and that side. So hold it like this, then you do this move. Flip it one more time. Then all the pluses and the sides and the middles match. And actually, like, so most of the corners match, just a couple of them don't. So we gotta basically place these now with this move. So you do that until you find that that one matches, so put it on the right side. There we go. Now almost all matches. Oh, I solved it super early that time.